In the heart of this ancient forest, a hidden wonder awaits. A plant unlike any other, a botanical anomaly known as the Rafflesia. The Rafflesia is a parasitic plant, meaning it relies on another organism for survival. Its host, often a tetrastigma vine, provides it with nutrients and water. It takes months for this bud to develop, and when it finally blooms, it's a sight to behold. The Rafflesia is renowned as the largest individual flower in the world. Its petals can reach a diameter of up to 3 feet. But its beauty comes at a cost. The Rafflesia emits a strong, unpleasant odor of decaying flesh, which attracts flies and other insects for pollination. These insects become trapped in the flower's central disc, helping to spread its pollen. Despite its impressive size and unique biology, the Rafflesia's life cycle is short-lived. It blooms for only a few days before wilting and decaying. The Rafflesia is found in tropical rainforests throughout Southeast Asia. However, its populations are threatened by habitat loss, illegal trade, and slow reproductive rates. Conservationists are working to protect the Rafflesia and its host plants. They are raising awareness about the importance of these unique plants and taking steps to conserve their habitats. With proper conservation efforts, the Rafflesia can continue to thrive in the forests of Southeast Asia. This extraordinary plant is a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. The Rafflesia, a parasitic marvel, a botanical enigma, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet.